Hey, on this lesson, we're going to be looking at how to apply reverb and delay. We're going to use this one for an example. We're going to go through all of these in class, but as for an example for how to do this, this is what this will show you. You're going to first unmute this, just one of them, and then you'll click on the show instrument, and then we're going to go to the effects. Now, see on this one, it has a whole lot of effects on this one, and we don't need to change much of that. We're just going to add some new ones. And we're going to click on the echo to filter it out. And we're going to add reverb and delay. Now, one way you can make these not run, all these effects, is you can press on this power button on here and it will deactivate what they do. All right, so let's listen to how this sounds first. All right, so we have that on here. We're going to put the repeat on this one. Now we're going to add some reverb, and we're going to change. There's different options to set for this one. You can do medium room, church, close room, wide room, hallway, the plates, and then the springs. Now each one of these is going to have a different effect in how it sounds on the echo. Remember, reverb means natural echo. So at first we're going to just try with a wide room and see what it sounds like. And if you want to crank this up a little bit, it's a little bit harder to hear on this one than it would be in a vocal piece, but it does affect it. And you can hear at the very end of that when I press stop on it. Now we're going to add or deactivate reverb, and we're going to activate delay. Delay is a controlled echo, and so it's not natural sounding. So what this is going to do is going to make it sound more fuller, more rich. It's going to sound like there's more than just the piano being played on that. So next you want to do is to add both of them, see what it sounds like. I can change this. And there's very few differences in this kind of track, but there are more. And you hear it kind of echoing still through the end. There are more in one of these other kinds. So we're going to mute that one. And your goal next is to go through each one of these, all of these, and add the reverb and the delay to what's already on there. Listen to this track to see what it sounds like first, and then you will add the reverb and delay to see how those affect it individually and then together.